This next series of exercises is to help lengthen and stretch your nerves, which is an often overlooked or sometimes completely unknown aspect of training for athletes and runners. This is something that you want to bring into your training. If you start to notice your feet are falling asleep, that little kind of tingly feeling at aspects of your run, and then also the second part, the downward dog into kind of a sciatic nerve stretch, is something I want you to do generally once a day just to help stretch those nerves out. So commonly, we all know about the sciatic nerve, the big main nerve that comes down, but then that actually branches into three separate main branches that go into the lower leg: your tibial, sural, and peroneal nerve. The way that you're gonna target those is you're gonna lay down, make sure you're not looking up because those nerves come all the way from your brain and the top of the head. You're gonna grab behind your leg, you're gonna extend your leg as far as you can so you feel a hamstring stretch but keep that foot relaxed. Now from here, you're gonna start by pointing your big toe and foot towards the same shoulder, and you're going just to the point of stretch, not digging deep like you would like a hamstring stretch. Then you will point out and away, kind of curl your toes. You're gonna feel that stretch through the front of that leg. And then the third is towards your opposite shoulder. And that one you'll feel very laterally. Relax the foot, relax the knee. Going through this series takes those nerves and just gently tensions them to help allow for better neural flow and better mobility. Because one of the things we find a lot is that nerves are just like any other tissue in the body. They can get irritated and they can get a little bit tight. So we want to make sure we're giving that some love as well. Now the last one that I love to do before any run is getting up into that high plank position and just that pure downward dog that we've all seen before. But I want you to emphasize the stretch in your hamstrings. So make sure you're getting up and then let those heels drop. And you're looking for a deep, intense stretch all the way down those legs and then come back out. We're not holding there very long, just a second or two, because again, we don't want to necessarily lengthen the nerves. We just want to get them warmed up and primed to move, which adds into what you do with your dynamic warm-up.